Hello my fertility friends, I'm Anne, and in this video I tell you more about ovulation dreams. And do ovulation dreams help you to get pregnant? The answer of this question I tell you in this video. So what is an ovulation dream? An ovulation dream is an erotic dream during your highly fertile days. The interesting thing about the ovulation dreams is that for me it was really a new information that there are ovulation dreams during the cycles, and I discovered the ovulation dreams by myself because I write down my dreams in a dream diary, and I observe my natural cycle with my ovulation signs and so on, with my basal body temperature, cervical mucus and so on. Because of this combination, I found out that there are ovulation dreams, and I think it's very interesting, isn't it? If you want to document your ovulation dreams, then you have to know when are your highly fertile days. And this you can realize with the Symptothermal Method. And I give you now an example. In this picture you can see a temperature curve from the basal body temperature. If you measure your temperature every morning, then you get such a temperature curve. And the Symptothermal Method has really clear rules to interpret your cycle and the temperature curve, and then you find out very easily your highly fertile days. Your ovulation is to 91% on these days. Look at the picture. And this is 2 days before the first higher measurement to 1 day after the first higher measurement. The studies with the Symptothermal Method find it out that this is really the best way to find out when is your ovulation. So in the next picture you can see an example with a temperature curve in combination with the cervical mucus. Okay, the cervical mucus you find in the upper one with the letter S, and also you can see the hearts with the T inside. That means there was an ovulation dream. That means there was an erotic dream. Oh, and you can see the highly fertile days begins at the moment you can see cervical mucus for the first time, and it ends after the first higher measurement. So, and also you can see that your cycle begins with the first day of your bleeding and ends 1 day before the next bleeding starts. So when you take a look at your whole cycle, you see the fertile days in this picture, and you can also see where are the hearts with the T inside, where are the ovulation dreams, are they inside the fertile days or outside. And you can see in this example one heart on day 10. This is of course an ovulation dream because it's inside the fertile days, and outside the fertile days is the erotic dream on day 15. This is only a normal erotic dream and not an ovulation dream. And now I show you a very special thing. I show you my own cycle with an ovulation dream. Ta-da-da-da! It was my 17th cycle, and it was 2011 in the night from April the 7th to 8th. There I had an erotic dream, and it was exactly during my highly fertile days. You can see this in this picture of my cycle chart. From the 13th to the 19th day of my cycle was my highly fertile days because I could see my cervical mucus for the first time on 13th day of the cycle. My first higher measurement was on day 19. So my erotic dream was some days before the temperature rise, and this is optimal for having sex if you want to get pregnant. Then you can use this erotic dream. Maybe you woke up from this dream at night or the next morning and said to your partner, "Hey, sweetie, let us have fun and make a baby," or "Let's having sex now," or "What do you want?" When I found out that I have ovulation dreams for the first time, I think, oh my god, it's really crazy. And is it possible that I have ovulation dreams in every cycle? And then I start my ovulation dream experiment. I document all my ovulation dreams and I look also if it is inside or during my fertile days. And I document my experiment for 16 cycles. There you can see my results of it. There you can see in 50% of my cycles I had an ovulation dream during my fertile days. It was 8 cycles out of 16 cycles which have an ovulation dream. But I have to say that I was from time to time not so good in writing down my dreams because I had other things to do and my concentration of my dreams was not so good for some months. That's because you see several cycles without an ovulation dream, maybe. You can see at the beginning I had a big motivation to do this, and there was ovulation dreams, of course. I think ovulation dreams, for me, it's interesting sign of ovulation, and it's similar to the mid-cycle pain for me. And if I want to get pregnant for the next time, then I'm sure I use the ovulation dreams to get pregnant. So, my conclusions about the ovulation dreams. I think it's really a very interesting sign of ovulation and body sign in general. And I'm very sad that there are no studies about this sign of ovulation. If you want to get pregnant, then I could say use the Symptothermal Method with the basal body temperature in combination with the cervical mucus, and look also at your dreams. And because if you not remember your dreams so good, when you wake up in the morning, oh no, I can't remember the dreams, maybe you have the same problem, then I can say write it down in a dream diary, and then step by step you can remember every day more your dreams. And then also maybe you look at your cycle and think, oh, I'm in my fertile days, and then you have even more body sensation for this special thing. And I think nearly every woman can do this and try this, have fun with it. And I said bye bye.